So yeah, I think I'm going to have a go at building the USS Arizona out of a block of wood and other parts and pieces in the house. So I've got the plastic model, so I'm using the hull as a template to make my wooden boat. So this is going to be my template for the wooden boat. Let's get started. We want a little bit of space in front. It's going to be something like that. I suppose I should do the top here, but I've done the bottom now, which will chisel out quickly, and we'll see what we got afterwards. That's the bottom. So I've used the templates of the actual plastic model to the stern and the bow and laid them down and copied them over, see? And now I can do the bottom, oops, that's the top now, see? And now this will be the bottom here. So you can see the detail in the plastic model here is quite amazing. But you know, I am getting the shape now. So we're looking better. And as you can see, this is where that back piece would go. I'll make these parts later on. But you know, I want to get the hull looking really good. And you know, it's been a bit of a pain. I'm having problems with these inserts and how to get them in there because in the plastic. But you know, step by step, we'll get there. I'm just letting this taped on to glue, let these glue harden, and then I'll move on. So I've used broomstick handle of my wife's. She won't miss a couple of inches on the back of the handle, I suppose. I hope not. And then washers on top to give you this look here of the dip. And there we go, we have that. We're getting on. We're getting to more detail every time. I've got to make the top of the guns yet. But we're getting there. Okay. So, I'm trying to make this lower deck on this plastic model. You can see it down here with the guns. It has 5 guns down in here. I'm making that lower deck. Now this helps you simplify how you're building it if you do plastic model and then build it, because you got the ratio and everything. So now, I need to make those little guns and little pieces on the lower deck, this one here. And I'm doing it here with these balls of wood, packing crate. It was laying around here. And you remember the old rails used to have hanging curtains? Well, I just take these and bend them out. I know, we'll bend one out quickly. I said I'd only do parts, but I'm at it again. And then I take these 2 parts for guns. Now all I've done is taken a Dremel and run a hole at an angle in here to get these little guns that I'm going to mount on a washer, so they're just a little higher. I'm going to epoxy them on a washer like that. Now they're a little higher and they look about right. So that's where I'm at. I'm going to epoxy them on the washers, a whole pile of them, make a whole pile of balls of wood here for the lower deck. My gun turret's going to come up in here, and we're going to have at least the base of the battleship. Yeah, this is where I'm at. These aren't on yet. They're going to come in here, and there's going to be the main gun in here, large one. And this is basically this bottom deck here, see it here? So let's take these 2 off for a sec, and you can just tilt up and see. It's kind of similar. A lot of work yet to go, so.